Okay, hi and welcome to another Ben Golding Guitar Masterclass. We did have a load of requests for some Nirvana ones, and so this is a really straightforward, great tune. Great vocals from Kurt Cobain on this one. Where Did You Sleep Last Night? A nice easy one off one of their Unplugged sessions. Yeah, fantastic tune, very simple. So again, like a lot of these ones, even if you're starting out, these ones really won't give you any problems. And like I always say with my tutorials, if you already know I'm going to give you the chords in 1 second. If you already know them, the running order will come up on the screen, and if you already know the chords, you might want to skip forward and just go straight into playing the song along with me, you know, to see how it fits in. But if you do need to brush up on your chords a little bit, feel free to stay with me and just brush up on these chords, get to learn the chords before we start to play the song. Also, the other thing with this one is, I like playing this one with a capo up high on the 6th fret to fit in with the original, with the Kurt Cobain version of this one, the Nirvana Kurt Cobain version, capo on the 6th fret. But again, like I always say with my tutorials, if you're practicing, this is only to play along with the original Kurt Cobain version. You might want to put the capo on a different fret to suit your own voice, or even play it open if that fits in with the key, the register of your own voice. But we're playing along with the Kurt Cobain classic, Where Did You Sleep Last Night? So we're going to get a capo and whack it on the 6th fret of the guitar, ladies and gentlemen, the 6th fret of the guitar. So let's get that on. Okay, for this one, it is very straightforward. You've just got you've just got 4 chords, and you just repeat them the whole way through. You've just got an A minor, we've got a D, we've got a C, and we've got an E. That's all we've got in this one, with quite a simple strumming pattern, which we'll go through as well. But what I'll do is very quickly give you the chords, so if you don't know them already, okay, here are the chords. For the A minor, you've just got your first finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Next finger goes in the 2nd fret on the 4th string, 2nd fret, 4th string. And the next finger goes right underneath that on the 3rd string in the 2nd fret. Okay, and for the A minor, we are trying to avoid hitting the bass E string. It's just the 5 lower strings. Okay, so there's your A minor. Okay, next we have the D major. For the D major, you've got your first finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Next finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret, and then the next finger goes on the 2nd string in the 3rd fret. Okay, and for this one, we're trying to avoid the 2 bass strings, the E and the A. Then it's just the 4 lower strings below that, 4 strings for that. Okay, next we want to learn the C. For the C major, regular C, we've got the first finger on the 2nd string in the 1st fret. Next finger on the 4th string in the 2nd fret, and the next finger goes on the 5th string in the 3rd fret. Okay, and for this, we're trying to avoid hitting the E string, the bass E string, and just the 5 lower strings. Okay, and last of all, we want the E major. For the E major, we've just got our first finger in the 1st fret on the 3rd string. Next finger on the 2nd fret on the 5th string. And the next finger right underneath that on the 4th string in the 2nd fret. Okay, and for the E major, we're hitting all the strings, all 6 of the strings. Okay, so basically all we're going to do, like I said, the good thing with this one is it just repeats. We're going to learn a simple strumming pattern with those chords in order, which will come up on the screen as well. And it loops that the whole way through the song. You don't have to change anything. Okay, so you've just got A minor, then we've got a D, then we've got a C, and then we've got an E. Okay, and it basically, you've got a little bit longer on the A minor, so you've got A minor, and then D, and then C, and then E, and E back to A minor again, and then D, and then C, and then E, and E back to A. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, you'll have to pardon the singing, but I'm going to hum the tune in the background as well, just so you can get an idea of how those chords sit with the melody and it all fits in. Okay, I'm going to keep it very simple, so there's just those nice easy downstrokes each time, whether you use a finger, thumb or plectrum. We're not going to go too advanced on the strumming patterns and stuff like that, but just to start off, we'll just keep it nice and simple. Downstrokes there on each chord. You can see you're spending slightly more time on some chords than others, but we'll get all that as I play through the song. Okay, so like I said, excuse the singing and try and join in with me now. But starting off with the A minor, we've got A and then a D and change to C and E back to A, down, down. Start again. A and then a D and change to C and E back to A. Okay, and I'll try the tune now. My love, na na na, and then a C and E back to A. Start again. My love, na 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 na, do 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 do. In the pines where the sun never shines, I feel the whole night through. Again, my love, when I change the C and E back to A. My love, na na na, do 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 back to A. Start again. A was the love, na 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 na, do 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 do. In the pines where the sun never shines, I feel the whole night through. Okay, and that's really simple. That is literally the whole song. The whole song just goes over and over. A minor, D, C and E, just in that order. Yeah, give it a practice. Again, it's a real great song. Obviously, it's fantastic voice. Kurt Cobain does a real good thing. Then if you're a great singer, you'll make really good work of that one. It's always a nice song to use. Give it a try. It will sound great. Thanks for viewing, and I'll see you in future for more great, easy guitar tutorials with Ben Golding. Thanks and goodbye.